Hello, Rasmus Hammarlund again. Time for another lightning speech. And as you may have noticed, there will actually be three subjects on this one. My disability, my vices, and overcoming obstacles. Yeah, I thought I add a third one to it as as I have been doing this now for 4 weeks, 28 days. So I thought it would be time to step it up to see what we can do. Yeah, so without further ado, I give you the lightning speech of today. Have fun. Thank you. Right, my disability or physical impairment, handicap, don't know what else can be called. The term for it is APERT syndrome. APERT syndrome. Not sure how to pronounce it in English, but anyways, the main parts of it, at least to me, is that I was born with my fingers stuck together, and due to a lot of surgery, when I was a kid, I got 4 fingers on each hand, as you can see, as you saw. Also, my toes are stuck together on the foot, and yeah, my foot has been deformed somehow. I'm also quite stiff in my shoulders. Yeah, and I have some other medical issues. I never really looked into a lot of that part of it. I read the Wikipedia article a few years ago. I think it's quite an unaware disability, really. So I think that it's like 1 in 150, 200,000 per year per birth that has it. So yeah, I was the lucky one, wasn't I? Yep. Um, what else can be said? Yeah, of course, a lot can be said about it. Um, it has, of course, been a major part of my life so far, and it always will be. Uh, it has had its effect on my self-esteem, confidence, and it has also, yeah, what else? Yeah, um, on my movement, of course. I mean, I can run. I can do most things that normal people or whatever can do. I mean, I run. I use a computer. I can't hit anyone. I can't make a fist. Maybe that's good. Saved my life a few times. Yeah, that's about that. Next subject. Want we do that? Right. Vices. The sweet vices of life. I came up with that subject because I just had on the date before, the little berry or fruit before shooting this video. It has quite recently become one of my vices to eat them as a little snack. They're quite sweet. Other vices that I have is peanut butter or banana. I love that thing. Not super healthy, but in moderation it can be okay, really. I would say that still beer is a vice for me. Yeah, even if I have cut back a lot on that one. I haven't had a beer now in 2.5 weeks, something. So that yeah, that is pretty good. Another vice, yeah, alcohol has been sort of a vice for me on and off. That I enjoy drinking, and but yeah, I was quite late also on that one. But that's a subject for another video, I think. Otherwise, mm, I think yeah, one of my vices is that I love, as I said, white coffee mocha from Starbucks. Even though it's a calorie bomb, I still love it. What else is there? Yeah, I used to love things like chocolate or candy, but it's also something that I've quit, which is good, I think. Um, I guess training, working out, has become a vice for me. Something that I enjoy doing quite much. Um, I also, I don't know, bow ties. No, no. But yeah, I would say the main ones are peanut butter with banana, beer or alcohol, and what's the third one? Can I come up with something? Yeah, white cafe mocha. That's my three main vices. Yeah, that's about that really. Overcoming obstacles is something that I have had to tackle most of my life really due to my handicap or my disability that I was talking about previously. Um, and I've done so a lot in the help of with the help of therapy, where where which has, as I mentioned before, was one of the reasons that I started doing stand-up comedy, because I was and am still quite an introvert person, suffering and suffer from at least mild social phobia. I am stuttering, so why should I be on a stand-up comedy stage? That's madness, really. But yeah, it was one thing that I did to overcome that obstacle for me. Another obstacle was that I thought that can I learn how to tie a bow tie with my hands? Apparently I could. So yeah, that was another much easier fix obstacle to overcome. Um, I quit eat meat. That was quite easy, I would say. Not so hard of an obstacle. It was just a bit of a process where I would gradually cut off meat more and more, and yeah, I don't eat any meat at all. I have tried to cut back on alcohol, and that's a quite big obstacle for me also. But I'm glad that I've done it because I feel much better now. Yeah, I can talk about a few more minutes. I guess. What else is? Yeah, there's many more obstacles. Like part of it is related to my social phobia, I would say. Um, Talking to people, talking to girls especially. Have always had issues with asking for help. I have fear of failing. But yeah, most of that is better now. And that's about it, really. Now I wish you all a great day.